Oh yes guys, there it is. Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop. Guys, check it out. As you know, I have ordered the wlt-989 little rally car that I'm going to attempt to make into a drift car. As you know, I'm not a fan of the shadow light. It does look nice, it's just not right for me. So, I've got the 3D printer on today. I am looking at making the HOONICORN. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see how it comes out. My 3D printer isn't incredible by all means. But we have already gone into Cura, which I'll show you now. This is the file on Thingiverse. I'll put the links in the description below. But going on to Cura, there you go. That is it in the software. I have added supports to this as well underneath on the preview. I'll just show you now. So all the supports are going to sit there underneath the car to hold it up. That's the way it's going to print. Let's go back to the prepare. This thing looks really nice in the software. I've set it to a semi-fine print as well because, you know, that's going to take up to 8 hours, I think it is. Where is it? Yeah, 8 hours, 42 minutes to print. That's at 20% infill and 0.02mm spacing. So there you go, guys. Let's go over to the printer and see what we've started on. I think it's just putting the base down now on there as we speak, but I really, really like the look of that. What I'll do is update you throughout the day as it's printing. Hopefully it don't fail. Cross fingers, cross everything. I really want to get this on the car. Right then, so just getting that first little build plate down on the bottom. First one actually failed, but I haven't used the 3D printer in a while, so I'm guessing it didn't take to the plate. Clean the plate off a bit and these ones seem to be taking now. Fingers crossed, once that bit's out the way, we'll start building on it and it should be good. Oh, here we go then. So we are 5% in so far. Let's go, that is looking good. I think that's the back diffuser on the car there. There's the front. Looking good. So we are 19% into printing and that's what it looks like so far. Whoop whoop. 28%. 44%. You can just about see we've got some light buckets coming on the front grille. Bit of a wheel arch going on as well. All that material in the middle is going to be wasted. I just can't believe it. All that time spent putting it on. But that's the foundations to building the whole car over the top of that. Might see a bit of a bonnet going on soon, I'm sure. Actually, what we're on halfway through the lights. Yeah, a little bit longer than that. Still, it's getting there. Please finish properly, all the way to 100%, please! 60% through, we have full lights in the front on the car. Think it's going to need a little bit of filling and pasting and sanding, but we are getting there. I think the detail is to come. Whoop whoop, 60%, 71%. We've got a bit of detail going on there as well. We've got the bonnet and the hood going on. Looks like the little body clips there I can notice. We've got some handles on the doors around there. And we have got the vents before the back wheel arches as well. Like I say, all this needs smoothing out. And then we got more vents to the side there. All the overprint just needs pulling off them. So far so good. Like I say, I ain't got a perfect printer, but when that's finished and we've pulled all the little bits off, hopefully, guys, it'll look like a HOONICORN. And that front's going to be mean when we pick all them bits of grill out as well. I can't really get a good picture at the minute because it's not keeping still. Woo! You ready for your new shell chassis? I mean, come on, 3D printing. Talk about patience. Come on! Oh, so close. 83%, guys. Come on. This is great for you because this is literally like seconds in between clips. Come on, Hoona. That's going to be so cool with all that dug out there. Can't wait. Come on. 91%. We are at 99%, guys. I've waited 9 hours for this. You've watched it in about a minute and a half. Yeah! It is complete. Oh, wow. Let me see this. Come to Papa. Wow. Obviously, we need some sanding down and some filling on there. We've got to take all these little itty bits out of this grill yet. We've got to pick all them out. I didn't even check, guys, but let's sit that car next to there. With some smaller wheels on. That is going to go on there perfectly. Wow. Right then, guys, so tomorrow with a bit more daylight, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave that there for tonight. Come back tomorrow, do some picking, pick all the struts out of there and show you what it looks like tomorrow. And then we'll sand and fill and paint and everything else from there on. I hope you've enjoyed this, guys. Give it a big thumbs up for me, guys. Hit that subscribe button and I'll continue the video in the morning. Oh yes, guys, there it is. All printed and done and absolutely solid. This thing does need a fair bit of prep work still. Still needs all rubbing down. As you can see everything, every single printed line on it. But there's still some nice printed detail on there. If you can just zoom in. Enough on there for you. There you go. Look at that. Let's say this is still rough. Literally all I've done is pick the centre out and pick the grills out. This is the centre. Look at this. Even that is a work of art in itself. Look at all that. That's amazing. Let's say back to the shell. Look at that. Wow, spoiler on the back looks nice. Diffusers, they need a little rub down again to get them all nice and straight. There's the underneath. That does look rough underneath. Look at that. The car will need some modifications to get this on. Obviously this is going to have to move backwards even though it needs to move forward for drifting, but I'm going to put my own speed control and receiver in there soon enough anyway, so we'll mount them as and where we can. The wheels are going to fit really nicely within that shell, as you can see, like so, because it does line up with the other one. I actually printed this without even measuring it, so it might not have even fit. Luckily for me, it does fit. Really looking forward to, like I say, what I'll do is drop a comment in the comment section below what colour you think this should be. Should it be black? Should it be green, yellow, or blue, like the one in the background? Let me know. Like I say, just needs a good rub down, guys. Get some filler on there, and then ultimately this shell should fit. Might even cut the windows out and put some clear perspex in the windows as well. Maybe go that far because I do want this to look good as well as fit the car. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, please drop it a big thumbs up. Comment below what colour you think this should be and what other mods I should do to my car. And hit that subscribe button, guys. I'll see you on the next one. See ya.